Welcome to this brief tour of Google Calendar. To access Google Calendar, you go to your Gmail inbox first. Go to www.google.com and enter your username and your password in the top right column and sign in by clicking the button. That brings you to your Gmail inbox, and at the top of that window you see Calendar here to the left. Click on Calendar, and that brings you into Google Calendar. And notice here on the left hand column that I have several calendars. My personal one, Thomas Davis, is noted with the color blue, but I also maintain another calendar for a blog that I maintain, Interfaith Calendar, and I maintain a calendar for Pacham in Terrace, which is in pink. And each of those calendars can be maintained separately, or if you wish, you can choose to see the events of all of them superimposed on the same calendar to see whether events might conflict one with another. Notice that the monthly calendar appears at the top left, and you can advance to subsequent months by hitting the arrow here, and so forth. Let me show you how to enter an event. If you let's go to April, and let's say let's make an event on an unscheduled day. April the 7th is still clear on my calendar, Thursday, April the 7th. And let's say I want to go to breakfast with someone for business. So I would click at 8 o'clock on that day, and let's just say breakfast, and click Create Event. Notice that breakfast now appears, and this box with blue indicates that I have scheduled an event. But let's put some more details into it. Let's click on breakfast. Now you see I can tell the software where it's scheduled. Let's say Presto Restaurant, and a description, let's say business breakfast. Notice I can set some pop-up reminders for myself with the amount of advance warning. And I can also make this event public if I wish by toggling down here, or I can keep it private. I have set it for public as default. And over here further to the right, I can add guests. I'm going to just put my own email address in there right now. But you can add guests into that blank and send them an email, and then they can reply as to whether they can make the event or not. I'm going to show you one more thing that's really handy with Google Calendar. If you go up here to the top right corner and click on Settings, and then Calendar Settings, I'm going to discard changes that we've made. Let's go back to Settings. Okay. Now we're in Settings, and I'm going to go down here to Calendars, and I'm going to click on my own personal calendar. And note down in this left portion where it says Embed this calendar, and then it has some code over here to the right. If you copy that code to your clipboard, and then go to a web page on another website that you wish to embed your calendar in, if you paste that code at the source level of that page, then when you save the page, the calendar will in fact display on that page. And that's really handy. Let me show you what that might look like. If I go to my own blogs, down here to Interfaith Reflections, and on that website I have made a calendar page right here. I'm going to click on that, and notice here is the Google Calendar that I have embedded on that website. So you can set the events at your own Google Calendar page, but you can have those events display on another website. Very, very handy tool. That concludes our tour of Google Calendar. Thank you very much for visiting.